we're making a blueberry banana pound cake. And we're going to chop up our bananas. And we have our blueberries right here. So we're just going to go ahead and chop up these bananas. This is 2 bananas that I chopped up. So today we're going to be using 1 box of yellow cake mix. And we're going to use it. Same ingredients we have on the back of the box is what we're going to put in here. So we're going to go ahead with 3 eggs. Just like so. Three eggs. And then we're going to have 1 cup of water. And 1/3 cup of oil. We're going to go ahead and give it a good mix. We're going to go ahead and drop in our bananas. We're going to go ahead and drop in some blueberries in here. Don't be stingy, you guys. Make it yummy. And use half of that container. We're going to go ahead and give it all the good stuff. And then we're going to go ahead and get our loaf pan. And we're going to incorporate all this yummy goodness in there. Make sure you combine everything together, you guys. Make sure you get all the stuff from the bottom. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and get our our pan. Now that we have greased our pan, we're going to go ahead and use half this batter in there. Now we're going to go ahead and put this in the oven on 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. We don't know when it's done. We stick a fork or a knife through it to see if anything comes out on it. So let's go ahead and stick it in our oven, you guys. Just came out of the oven, you guys. We gotta let it cool for like 20 minutes. Y'all, it tastes so good, y'all. The bananas and the blueberries, so good. This is a must try. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And may y'all have a blessed day and enjoy.